Hi everyone, we are going to get started with our closing demos right now. So if you're interested in showing off your hack on the stream, just share it over on Discord. I'm going to be playing those videos for the next little bit before we do our winner announcements, which will probably be coming up in just an hour. So yeah, head over to Discord if you want me to share your video. But without further ado, I am going to get started showing off some of the cool projects we have from this weekend.
So hello everyone, this is our web app Let Us Paint. It is a prototype of MS Paint and we have used Node.js to develop it and we have deployed it on Google Cloud. So as we all know, during MLH hackathons we do many events in which we have to draw things, but users mostly use different services. So we thought, wouldn't it be nice if all of them use or create content on the same application? So we are not bounding your creativity. We are giving you a new platform just to give a fair competition, right? So you can call this application is for the MLH participants by the MLH participants, and it does cool things too. We have included different themes just to match your moods. We hope all of our users will create great and funny drawings. Thank you.
Very cool. I think that hack is perfect, especially for folks who attended the Bob Ross MS Paint activity. I could definitely see that project being used for future mini events like that. So very, very cool. The next one I'm going to share is called Our Artistic Space. So let me just switch tabs and we're going to watch the next demo.
My name is Kyle Java, and alongside with my teammates Anish and Michael, we created a website called Our Artistic Space. Since the theme of the hackathon was art, we wanted to create a project that was aimed to help the local art community. We wanted to provide a platform where artists can learn more about various museums or art galleries in their area. So let's go on ahead and test out the website. So let's say if I want to look for art museums, and if I'm living in Los Angeles, the website will give me a list of art museums in Los Angeles with the name of the museum, the address, and the phone number. Let's say if I was living in Tokyo and I wanted to go to an art school, it'll give me those results. So let's say if I'm interested in checking out a school, I can press this button that says take me there, and then it'll take me to Google Maps with a destination of that location.
Hi, my name is Anish, and for our website, we have a bunch of different categories that you guys can check out. We have art museums that can take you back to history. We have art schools, institutions that can teach you art. We have art stores if you want to decorate your home with some cool products. And lastly, we have art galleries with some artsy, crafty paintings.
Hello, my name is Michael Arkin, and the following are the tools we used. For the front end, we used HTML and CSS as well as the Bootstrap library for reference. We used Python and Flask to create the backend, as well as the Yelp API to fetch business data based on the location. Finally, we deployed the app on the Google Cloud Engine, and we used domain.com to define our domain, artistic.space.
Very, very cool. I love how on theme everyone is staying this weekend with all of the arts and crafts themed projects. It looks like the next one we're going to look at is also pretty on brand. So we're going to be looking at Magical Air Paint Wand. Let me get this one up. Just 1 second.
To paint or draw on. Are you bored doing same traditional methods of drawing? Why not try some new? And what if I say you can paint on air? Yes, you can paint on air, and I'm not kidding. Introducing Magical Air Paint Wand, which allows you to paint or draw on air. Now let's move into the demo. Okay, here is my magical air painting wand, and with the help of this wand, I will do an air painting. Now let's start. Turn off the light. Now I will click capture on this phone, and now I can do air painting like this. Now let's see some of my arts using the device I made.
That was awesome. I am so impressed by how many folks are doing hardware hacks and things like that, even while we're all remote and working, on these projects from all over the world. So super, super impressed with that. That was awesome. I don't know if y'all noticed the GitHub Octocat plushie in the background, but if you haven't submitted your own Octocat drawing, make sure you do that. If you want to win your own GitHub swag, definitely recommend entering over on Twitter. You just have to use the hashtag myoctocat, hashtag hacks and crafts, and then at GitHub Education. All that is over on Discord as well, though. I'm going to pull up the next demo video that we're going to be watching, which is called Origami Space. If any of y'all are into origami, I would love to see pictures. So feel free to go and post those over on Discord while we're waiting to get started with the winner announcements. Next up, we are going to look at the project called Let Me Craft.
Hello hackers and amateurs. I have created this beautiful Android application using Android Studio and color-fill algorithm. This is welcome activity user interface. As you can see, there are four buttons: coloring, painting, about developers, and buy. That for exit. If you want to choose coloring, you can just click on this. You can see there are beautiful several images on which you can apply color. For example, if I click on this teddy bear, I can use different color. For example, even by mistake I have color this. I can use undo section. Even I can save this image, and I have directly integrated the painting section here. You draw anything you want, and if you want to erase, just click on this erase button. And at the about developer section, here is my name and about me, and you can follow me on these apps. And if I want to exit from the application, just click on this buy button, and you can see there is this there is here is that image which we have saved previously. Bye. Thank you.
Another very cool project. If you are just now joining us, we have been looking at different hacks that y'all are sending me over in the Demo My Hack channel on Discord. So definitely go and send your project over there if you want me to play it on the stream. We have time for a few more before I am going to hop off the stream to figure out who our winners are before we come and actually announce those. So welcome to anyone who's just joining. I am going to get the next project pulled up here in just 1 second. Looks like we are going to be watching the demo video now for the project called Count My Space.
So, hi all. So, as you all know, the current pandemic has made governments restrict the number of participants in weddings, malls, and functions, etc. So, I have created a hack based on this. So, it is basically a device which can be implemented at the entry or exit of a room, and it tracks it tracks the persons entering and exiting from the room. So, showing a quick demo of that. So, considering a person has entered the room. So we can track this live data on using a web page. So the web page shows the live data. Now considering that the person is leaving the room, so the web page updates in real time. So you can see that it has updated and the value is 0. So coming onto the web page, this is the home page. You can either join a room via a room code or directly press start button to get into the car room. So this is a live data is shown. So let me make a few persons enter the room. So you can see that the website updates it in real time. So similarly, when a person leaves the room, the website updates it in real time. So also there's also an extra feature that you can set a limit for the number of persons allowed in a room, such that if the limit if the number of persons inside the room crosses the limit, you will get a notification on your phone saying that you have crossed the limit and you should consider following proper government guidelines. So that is all about my hack Count My Space. So I hope you all liked it. Thank you.
Very, very cool. For our next one, we are going to be looking at a project called PixLite. It looks like it's a photo downloader app that lets you download some photos in high res for free. So let me get this one pulled up for y'all.
This project is made for Hacks and Craft Hackathon. Hello everyone. Do you know what is the impact of art around us? Art influences society by changing opinions, instilling values, and translating experience across the space and time. A person who doesn't have decent surrounding around him can't be productive to his fullest. And in this world, 68% people are there who spend at least 4 hours a day looking in front of digital screens like laptops and mobile, etc. So one of the main thing that matters is the background image of the device. And finding the best image is a big challenge. And you get lots and lots of ads and all. So here comes our project Pixlite. With the help of this, you can get the best background images in a categorized way that are free to use and put a great impact on your mind, which makes you more productive for your work. Here's the homepage of our project and a logo of Pixelite, that is our project's name. And below that, the image that you see change automatically after 5 minutes. And below that, there are some great images from the best photographer around the world. It comes with infinite scroll option, So just you can keep going by scrolling and scrolling. Now let's go to the next feature of this web page, that is we have a search bar. We can write any keyword like this project is made for hacks and craftathon. Hello everyone. Do you know what is the impact? And below that there are some great images from the best photographer around the world. It comes with infinite scroll option, so just you can keep going by scrolling and scrolling. Now let's go to the next feature of this web page, that is we have a search bar. We can write any keyword like suppose if I type travel, then I can get the images related to that keyword. Again, this also comes with infinite scroll option. And next is categories. These are the best categories that I searched by the people on the search bar. Suppose if I click on technology, then I will get the images related to that field. Next we have popular section. In this category we have the images that are popular among the people using this website. Next is about us section. Here is some description about us and what we do and some social media icons. So that's all from our side. Thanks for watching.
Just want to echo again how impressed I am with all of the projects y'all submitted this weekend. These have been really, really amazing to watch. Seen a ton of creative ideas. The next one we're going to be looking at is a project that helps create video resumes. So we are going to be looking at Video Folio next.
Hello everyone. We are Team Video Folio. As so many developers have lost their jobs on this global pandemic, we made something which can be of use of them. So we made Video Folio. What Video Folio does is it generates your video resume just from your GitHub and LinkedIn handles. So as you can see, I have provided one of my friends' GitHub and LinkedIn handles, and it will uh, generate the data. It will get the data from those websites APIs, and it will yeah, as you can see, we got the data, and these are all real time. This is all real time. There is nothing static here. Okay, so as you can see, all these things are like Vishal is a Monstack developer, and as you can see, this was reflected on his LinkedIn also. So this is a real-time thing, and then we will send this JSON object on the other part of the project, and that is the render service. This is data service. Data service generates this JSON object, and then we will send it to a renderer service over the REST endpoint. Okay. Now Vishal will be showing how we are getting the slides or video from this JSON object. Okay, yeah. Over to you, Vishal.
So that data comes to the backend service, which makes a canvas and uses the canvas library or which is implemented for the Node.js. Canvas actually is a browser implementation, but this is implemented for the Node.js backend, so we can use it on the server. The data is then sent to the renderer, which renders all the slides which are necessary for the video. As you can see in the right hand side, the output folder is empty right now. But when the data is sent, it gets it gets generated all the slides. As you can see, these are the slides are being generated by the generator, and the renderer makes a video out of it.
Thank you so much, everyone. Thank you. We are Team Videofolio. Thank you.
Alrighty, so those are all the projects that we're going to be playing demos of. We should have our winner announcements pretty shortly. I'd imagine within the next half an hour or so, but likely a little bit before that. I'm going to go ahead and hop off the stream for now, and then I will be back when we have our winner announcements.
Hi, everyone.
Hello, how's it going?
It's going very well. It's a Sunday, so I'm very excited. It's a new week.
Me too. I'm excited to see who won Hacks and Crafts too.
I know. Especially with like the very fun theme. It was really like allowed people to be very creative. So hopefully people took advantage of that.
Absolutely. I was watching some of the demo videos earlier and was blown away by how on theme everyone stayed. I feel like some weeks folks don't like keep their projects super close to the theme, which is totally fine. This week was totally a week where I saw like art hack after art hack after art hack, which I absolutely love.
I know. We love to see it.
We do love to see it. I am going to get the slides pulled up.
Okay.
Let me know if that looks right.
Yes, it does. I mean, yeah, it does. It looks good.
Cool. So we can go ahead and get started with the closing ceremonies.
All right.
Should we just jump right in?
Yes.
Okay, let's do it.
Okay. So do you want to tag team it? Like you go to the next slide, I go the okay, cool. All right. So thank you all so much to everybody, all the hackers who participated, all the mentors who answered questions, whether technical or not technical, and all the judges who helped us lend your expertise. We really, really do appreciate it. And shout out to Mary and Yash for being incredible colleagues and to work this event with you both. It was very, very smooth sailing. So thank you all so, so much.
Yes, and I'll echo that right back to you, Fazia. It was awesome working with you. We had over 200 hackers check in, which was awesome. Thank you to all the hackers who came out this weekend. It was great getting to meet a ton of you at the different mini events and the folks who came to the Hacker Hangout that I hosted last night. So yeah, thank you all for showing up this weekend.
And of course, with that many hackers, it also meant that we received like over 30 projects. And that also meant that like, you know, you all were engaged with us and actually submitting things, which was really exciting. And yeah, so thank you all so much for submitting that many projects.
All right, so we are going to jump into the MLH and the sponsor prizes. So as a quick reminder, the prizes that we had this weekend were the best use of Google Cloud, the most creative radar.io hack, the best domain registered with domain.com, the best hardware hack presented by DigiKey, and we are going to be awarding the GitHub Octocat drawing.
Yes. So can I get a drum roll for the best domain that was registered with domain.com? It was craftyhacks.online. It was really, really fun and it was really cool. And the fact that you are able to produce something that technically sound within this hackathon range, that's really impressive. So congratulations, Crafty Hacks.
Woo! The next one we have is our best use of Google Cloud. And for that one, we are going to be going with Warn, the Wildfire Awareness Reminder niche. So we had a ton of really cool submissions. I know this one was very hard for the judges to pick. So huge congrats to the team Warn on winning best use of Google Cloud.
Yes. And of course, this one, we always encourage you all to submit hacks to technologies that you're not as familiar with. So for the most creative use of radar.io, the team that submitted the winning hack for this category was Recycle Together. The fact that you were able to like use location to make something that's, you know, sustainable and environmentally friendly was very, very cool. And it was actually very interesting to judge. So congratulations.
Ooh. Next up, we have the best DigiKey hardware hack. I absolutely love seeing all the hardware hacks. I think it's so cool that even while we're remote and y'all might not have access to the hardware lab, you're still building cool hacks with hardware you have at home, or even you're just using online emulators to you know, get some practice with hardware. So the first winner we have for this one is Hack-a-Sketch. Amazing work to this team.
Yes.
We actually have two winners for the best hardware hack. And so our second one is Count My Space. They both did amazing jobs, and we'll both be going home with some prizes there, which is actually some cool new hardware that y'all can hack on.
Yes, congratulations. And then now the one that everybody loves, the fan favorite, the one that's so difficult to always pick because art is subjective. But for the My Octocat winner for hacks and crafts, the winner for this category was, I cannot pronounce your Twitter name, but it was this project. So if you can see your Twitter name that's spelled Naivedh, that's you. You're a winner. So congratulations.
It's amazing work on this one. And we are going to be jumping into the hacks and crafts prizes. So as a reminder, these ones are the first, second, and third overall. And then the two kind of category prizes we have here is the Hacking is Art prize, as well as the My First Crafts Project prize.
Yes. And so for the Hacking is Art prize, this is basically for the prize that was able to be the most creative. And so this category winner, or the winner of this category, goes to Videofolio. The fact that they were able to build something that allows you to kind of just like put in your LinkedIn and your GitHub profile, and it creates like a video portfolio for you. I thought that was pretty out of the box thinking. So myself and the other judges. So congratulations.
And for our My First Crafts project, this one was for the best beginner team, the First Crafts project, aptly named. And we have for our winner here, Our Artistic Space. I thought this one was amazing. Incredible that this was y'all's very first hackathon. So excited that you decided to come out, and I hope we get to see y'all at more hackathons. Yeah. Congrats on winning My First Crafts project.
Yes. So now we're going to go into like the third, first overall prizes. So this was very, very competitive. There were a lot of really, really great projects. And so for third overall, the team that won this category was Arduino Sketchpad. So congratulations. You really wowed the judges. They loved your project. Yeah, congratulations, Arduino Sketchpad.
Ooh. And for our second overall, we have Universal, a secure and powerful data transfer repository. It's quite a mouthful, but y'all did an amazing job. The judges loved your hack, so you will be going home with the second place prize.
And the unanimous winner, the one that really blew it all by the largest margin whatsoever, was Magical Air Paint Wand. All the judges loved your project. Congratulations on winning first place. Yeah, congratulations. You deserve it.
Yes, huge congrats. We actually got to watch this demo on stream a little bit earlier. So if y'all have not checked it out, definitely go over to DevPost because it was a very, very cool project.
Yes.
Again, huge congrats to all of our winning hackers. Y'all blew us away with how many amazing projects you came out here and built this weekend.
And again, if you have checked in and you registered for this hackathon and you submitted your project on DevPost when the submission period was open, you are going to receive an iDemoed sticker unique to this event. So if you listened to me and you did register and check in and you submit your project, you're basically ready to go.
And if you did not fill all that out yet, you can head over to this link and still do it. Make sure that you get your stickers for the weekend.
And of course, this is the check-in form. So you signed up on the previous one and then you checked in on.
Awesome. Thanks again for coming out here this weekend. It was so much fun being here with y'all.
But the fun doesn't end this weekend because MLH has been working hard and
we've got a bunch more hackathons coming up. Yeah. So next weekend, we've got Do Re Mi hacks. This is music themed. So whether you are a musician or just want to come out and hack, this event is going to be perfect for you.
And then we have give back hacks for those of you who want to support your community and the world, especially with the circumstances that are going on these days. You can come join us.
And then we've got Who Wants to Be a Hackionaire? That's hard to pronounce. A play on Who Wants to Be a Millionaire. This one's going to be kind of game show type themed. Should be a ton of fun. I'm excited to see what mini events we have that weekend.
I know. So thank you again to everybody who joined us this weekend. It was really, really fun. We really hope that you continue to attend more hackathons and that you continue to use the resources that we provide for you all to continue to make awesome things. So enjoy the rest of your weekend. Make sure to relax and drink some water and hydrate and get some rest because we want to see you again next week.
Yes. And that's it from us. We'll see y'all soon. Thanks so much for coming out.
Bye.
Bye, everyone.